Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to guide you how to set up edge banding types. Go to Extensions, one-click, Setting. Then select Edge Banding. To add a new type, select Add New. And then change the name. We should name it very briefly. For example, 0.8 edge banding thickness, also 0.8, and then set a color for it. For example, green. And if you want to set this type as default, tick Default. To delete any type, select it and hit Delete. Now let's see. And later, we can see the edge banding type on the label. So here you can see 0.8 type. So that's why we need a brief name. This is how we set up edge banding. For other instructions, see you in the next videos.